Grand Canyon University has a purpose to ignite prosperity in West Phoenix, and our university leans in by developing a local STEM workforce as part of our 5-point plan for the greater good. The College of Engineering and Technology, university leadership, advisory boards, community partners, and faculty members all work in unison to prepare students to lead in critical STEM fields. We're a coalition for a movement of change in the community, for changing lives, and for changing the world. It's our commitment to support students who are passionate about shaping a different tomorrow. That change can be a reality.
Now, as a policymaker and as someone who is committed to driving our economy forward, I am very appreciative of GCU and the effort that is going on there. Our ability to compete in the 21st century global economy depends on our ability to attract, retain, and especially develop talent. And they are doing it by supporting STEM education and coding classes everywhere, off campus, and helping students years before they get of college age. And what that means is that we will continue to compete and will become more competitive, in fact, in the global economy of the 21st century.
We've got to get kids excited about studying in difficult and rigorous academic areas. We got to get them excited about being business entrepreneurs, engineers, computer scientists, biologists, and go out there and join companies that can create a great American economy again.
Impactful STEM education is a journey that begins early on in academics and progresses throughout college. At GCU, students are encouraged to embrace their talents and act on their curiosities within a culture that fosters and celebrates hands-on innovation.
So we can nurture that talent, get those young people graduating high school, moving on to higher education. That is a formula for massive economic success. So the number one asset of West Phoenix, which is the number one asset of all of Phoenix, is really that human capital, that diverse population that we have. We can take full advantage of, we can harness that talent. The sky's the limit for the future of this city.
At GCU, we inspire students to see a world of possibility. We give them the tools as well as the opportunities, from clubs to competitions, to let their ambitions and ideas flourish. GCU's vibrant Phoenix campus has become a modern STEM training environment. New facilities fully equipped with classrooms, workshops, and labs serve as a collaborative makerspace for solving practical problems and making discoveries. Here, students design, create, and build using advanced technologies.
We're talking about high-tech and high-end machinery. For me, it's very important to incorporate into my theoretical studies the practical aspect of it. So when we go into an industry, we're not going to see the huge gap, the huge difference between, machines from the 1990s and brand new ones. We're going to see consistency in that, and that's amazing.
There's a unique and vibrant spirit from STEM learning at GCU. We're shaping critical thinkers and problem solvers, pioneers, and innovators to meet the needs of today's workforce. In our future, we see high-tech companies migrating to West Phoenix as entrepreneurship grows for community revitalization. It's our blessing to be in this position of influence. It's in your hands to help make a difference.